People ask me what I love about my business, my online business. So many things, to be honest. We're not only making extra income here, we are also growing personally. The mindset shift is just so amazing. We have the best community, vast of information that are ready for grab for us anytime. But anyhow, the best part that I really like is that it's not only that I'm growing personally, I can also share what I have learned to my business partners and to people as well that are interested to know about the business. Anyhow, if you want to learn more about my online business, why we love doing our business, message me or sign up at my website and we are for sure ready to help you. Thank you. Have a wonderful day and God bless.